contraceptives to lionesses in Lewa Conservancy. Birth control in lionesses is an experimental project in the country borrowed from South Africa. Here is just how family planning works in the wild.
The Kenya Wildlife Service invited the wrath of Kenyans on Twitter after informing the public that 6 lionesses are to be implanted with contraceptives to reduce the predation of endangered species at Lewa Conservancy in Meru County. Many Kenyans were concerned that KWS could have found better ways to protect endangered species, especially since lions themselves are becoming rare in Kenya. A 2019 survey by KWS indicates that Kenya has only 2,450 lions.
There are some areas where lions have become a problem to communities. The scientists have advised here that some of these troublesome animals cannot be relocated because you are transferring the troubled animal to another area.
According to KWS, the Lion Contraception Project is an experimental project in Kenya, borrowed from South Africa to manage caged lions. The hormone contraceptives will work for 1 year for the 6 lionesses aged 5.
There are only 2 alternatives that we had. One, in Southern Africa, they do sport hunting to reduce population. In Kenya, it is outlawed since 70. The second option was to translocate them. The IUCN Cat Specialist Group do not recommend translocating adult lions because when they go where they did not live, the talent of hunting is reduced.
Dr. Derek Chibeu, the chairman of Kenya Small and Companion Animals Veterinary Association, holds that there are various factors affecting population management. As ironic as contraception may seem from a conservation point of view, and although wildlife abundance is desirable in most cases, some wildlife populations may reach high levels. This is likely to lead to a poor animal welfare situations for the lions themselves, undesirable ecological damage, or human-wildlife conflicts.
High population densities are not desirable, especially for the environment. And in such a situation, they probably use contraception as a means of population management to keep the population levels at just suboptimal levels, below the carrying capacity.
Contraceptives work the same for both animals and humans, but challenges are still there. Long-term use on animals may have the negative effects such as endometriosis, unpredictable return to breeding, ovarian and mammary cancer, among others, that could permanently interfere with future breeding.
Contraception in the general free-roaming wild population, in my opinion, is not sustainable when used alone.
If the project tested on the 6 lionesses works, it will be an option that KWS considers when trying to manage lion population. However, nothing is foolproof or 100% safe. Ashley Mazuri, KTN News.
Time for some international news, and Botswana's truck drivers who deliver the majority of the landlocked country's goods from COVID-hit South Africa are also responsible